Dental bridges are popular dental restoration utilized to substitute missing teeth. It is made up of several artificial teeth, also known as Pontics. They are fixed with dental crowns that are positioned on the teeth that are on the opposite side of the gap created by missing teeth. There are a variety of reasons dental bridges are suggested by a dentist. One of the primary motives is to restore your capacity to chew and talk correctly. If you have missing teeth and jaws, it may be challenging to chew certain food items or communicate clearly. This could have an adverse effect on the quality of your living. Dental bridges can assist in restoring these functions, allowing you to eat normally and talk clearly. Another reason that dental bridges are employed is to stop the teeth around them from moving off center. If you've got spaces in your smile, adjacent teeth may begin shifting and then become out of alignment. This could cause bite issues and various other problems. If you fill in any spaces with a bridge, you will be able in preventing these issues from happening. Dental bridges can aid in improving the look and appearance of your smile. A missing tooth can cause you to feel embarrassed and make you avoid talking or smiling in public. Dental bridges can assist in restoring your confidence and provide you with an attractive smile. There are a variety of different kinds of bridges for dental use, such as bridges that are traditional, such as cantilever bridges and Maryland bridges. The kind of bridge that is most suitable for your needs is dependent on your personal condition and location of your missing teeth. To get an implant-supported dental bridge, you'll have to see an experienced dentist. They will look at your mouth and teeth to decide if a bridge is the best choice for you. If a bridge for your teeth is suggested, your dentist will take impressions of your teeth to design a bridge that is perfect for the mouth of your. After the bridge has been constructed and bonded, it is then sunk to the tooth, and then Pontics filling the gaps left by missing teeth. The crowns that are on both sides of the bridge will be secured to adjacent teeth in order so that the bridge is held securely to its position. When you purchase a bridge for your teeth, it is crucial to maintain it with care so that you can keep it in good condition for the long haul. It is important to practice good dental hygiene practices, like flossing and brushing frequently and going to the dentist regularly for examinations and cleans. A dental bridge is a popular dental restoration used to substitute missing teeth. It may help restore the ability of your mouth to speak and chew properly and prevent the teeth around them from shifting and enhance the look of your smile. If you're missing teeth, you should talk with your dentist regarding the possibility of a bridge for your teeth. Be a suitable treatment for you,